Lisa White. I'm the Director of Home Care, Hospice, and Palliative Care for Munson Home Health. And Munson Home Care is a division of Munson Healthcare. When we first brought Vivify on to Munson Home Care as our partner for telehealth, we weren't quite sure how it was going to go. This has been proven to be so effective for us that we are ready to expand and add on. So Munson Home Care, it's been an advantage having this product. We were running somewhere around 12.5% for a readmission rate for our COPD and CHF population, and we are able to get that down to 4%. So we were really impressed. At first, the first couple of months, we thought, well, is this a fluke? But the results kept coming in as real positive. We have not had a readmission with our CABG patients to date that I am aware of. We're very confident that this is where we need to be headed, and we're going to be adding, and in fact doubling the units that we have.
Well, I was very happy to engage with Munson Home Care through Vivify. The biggest advantage is that it's in my home. And I happen to live some distance from the hospital, but even if I lived next to the hospital, it would still be advantageous to do it at home. And this connects me with all the healthcare people I need to be connected with. If there's anything out of order, it gets immediate attention. If I have questions, I can ask. It's easy to use, and it keeps me fully informed. I think anybody, given a choice, would prefer to be home if it's possible to have the medical technology at your fingertips that you have in the hospital. So as I said, I felt very secure with it, and I'd use it again at the drop of a hat.
Well, we were very happy to have Munson Home Healthcare involved with this healing process. We also found it very handy to have remote patient monitoring at home. It's confusing when you're not familiar with the processes that you're going through, and to know that somebody was there that you could call instantly and the care would pick up from there if you needed. We're very thankful that it was available to us, so we would do it again in a heartbeat. Hopefully we won't need it, but to know it's there is very valuable to us.
We're working with value-based partners to make sure we are delivering the care that the patients need. So it's really been very beneficial to have Vivify and have a strong partnership. Knowing that we have this tool, so they feel more confident in the home. They know that we have that tool in our box, so we're more prepared to take care of the patient at home. And at home is where they want to be. Another thing is this: together we're stronger. Together we're stronger because we're using the tools, the proper tools, to make sure we're taking care of the patients. And Vivify is helping us to do the right thing for those patients that are at home that need the extra attention, that need that extra eye, the extra level of security in the home. So we're doing the right thing.